My name is Amr Hilal. I am a CSEN student in the 7th semester and my major is MET. I was enrolled with my team, Muhammad Amr and Amr Breda, to make a project by using Arduino. So we decided to make a smart car. We used in this project two Arduinos, analog joystick, and UART sensors that consist of a transmitter and a receiver. And we also used an edge bridge, which helps us in controlling the motion of the 2D motor car. This is the two motors. Each motor is connected by two pins. These pins are connected to the edge bridge and the Arduino. And also this edge bridge helps us to change the direction of the motors. If we want to move forward, the two motors will move forward. If you want to move right, the right motor will move backward, and the left motor will move forward. And if we want to move left, the right motor will move forward, and the left motor will move backward. And also we used ultrasonic sensors that if there any obstacle blocks its way, the car will stop. And also we used an advanced line tracker that consists of 5 sensors that differentiate between the black color and the white color. And finally we used a battery 11 volt to move the car. And now we will go with Amr Breda, to describe for us how the advanced line tracker moves.
This is the advanced line tracker with Amr Breda. For the advanced line tracker, we are using 5 pins. VCC, which is connected to the breadboard, the ground, which is also connected to the breadboard in the ground section, and 2 sensors, which is sensor 1 and sensor 5, which are connected to the Arduino. Here is sensor 1 and here is sensor 5. And the 5th pin is the calibration pin, which is connected to pin 10 in the Arduino. Here is an example of our track. Okay. When the 2 sensors detect white, the car moves forward. And when sensor 1 detects black and sensor 5 detects white, the car moves left. And when the sensor 5 detects black and sensor 1 detects white, the car moves right. And when they both detects black, the car stops. And for the calibration sensor improves sensor performance. Now with Muhammad Amr Salim.
With Muhammad, I'm gonna talk about the analog joystick, the UART sensors, and the ultrasonic. First of all, we're gonna talk about the analog joystick. The joystick has 4 directions: forward, backward, left, and right. It is connected to the Arduino in order to give it the order, in order to go forward or backward or left or right. Then throughout the Arduino, it transmits the actions throughout pin 2 and 4 to the transmitter, which transmits from this UART, the transmitter, to the UART receiver, to the Arduino, which is connected to the edge bridge, which gives us the order to move forward, backward, left, or right. Now with the UART sensors. The UART is consisted of a VCC, a ground, and a receiver. It receives its order from the Arduino, which transmits this receiver, which transmits the sensor, which transmits the data from from the transmitter to the receiver, which consists of a VCC, ground, and a TX. The TX is the transmission action, which sends it to the Arduino, which gets the data, analyzes it, sends it to the edge bridge, and moves the car. Finally, the ultrasonic sensor. The ultrasonic sensor helps us to detect if there is something in front of it or not. If there is something in front of it, it will not light up. If there's nothing in front of it, it will light up. If it lights up, it will keep on moving. If it doesn't light up, it will stop. And now thank you. we're gonna start the demo. First of all, we're gonna press on the switch in order to give her the automatic mode, which is the advanced line tracker. As you can see, she keeps on moving. The sensors keeps on lighting up in order to detect the black line, and it moves on it. And now we stop because the old sensors light up. Now we're gonna switch to the manual mode throughout pressing on the switch, from where we could with the demo. First of all, we're gonna press on the switch, which I just told you about, which differentiates between the automatic and the manual. Now with the automatic mode, which is the advanced line tracker. Here's a demo. As you can see, it keeps on tracking the black line, and it moves on till it reaches the end point, through which it lights all the sensors, so it stops. And now with the manual mode, by pressing on the switch, here we could detect moves left, right, and frontward, and backward. And now we're gonna put something in front of it in order to stop. For the ultrasonic demo, here's how it starts. Here it detects something in front of it. So will it move forward or not? As you can see, we keep on moving forward, but it doesn't. But it can move backward, left, or right. So it detects again, it stops, and it doesn't move. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it.